back to my channel. This is Manasa. Thank you so much for watching me. Today I have planned to make the video in my room itself, and I would be trying out few American snacks that we get over here. And so when I went grocery shopping this week, I also went to Walmart, and from there I got all the snacks that I need today. I think I have around 10 snacks, but wait, let me just set it up. This is the time I realized that my items were not getting covered in the camera, so I had to keep the camera far and rearrange. So these are the snacks that I got from Walmart this time, and I have to tell you, I'm very much excited to try each one of this. I've heard about few of them before, and there are 12 items today to try. I have tried to include chips, cookies, sweet, juice, all of them in this pack. And let me just show you. I am really tempted to try out these items now. But before that, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please, it's easy, it does not take much time. Subscribe. Okay, so now let's start trying these items. Let me first make some space on the table. Yep, so the first item I will be trying is Chex Mix. Chex Mix is basically a snack mix which has different varieties of snacks depending on the flavor that you choose. I have taken turtle, and turtle flavor has corn, cocoa, caramel Chex, pretzels, caramel, popcorn, chocolate candy and peanuts in it. There are many varieties of Chex Mix available here. Like you have honey nut flavor, which is sugar coated snack mix. Then you have cheddar flavor, which is cheesy, and there is bold flavor that is supposed to be spicy. I really wanted to try the bold flavor, but it was not available in the store. I was only left with turtle and honey nut, so I went with turtle flavor. So let's see how this is. It smells nuts. I tasted pretzels and cocoa Chex and corn Chex, and it's amazing. They also have caramel popcorn inside this. Let me just plate it and show you. They have pretzels in them. These are the cocoa Chex. There are cheese Chex too. And these are the caramel popcorns. Actually, this is something that I really like about this particular snack. It gives a very good taste overall. This is a really good snack. I can definitely munch on this any day. I would definitely want to try out other Chex Mix flavors too. So yeah, this is a pass. Overall, amazing. The next item I am going to try is cookies. I've got Chips Ahoy, and I want to say that this is not the first time I'm trying Chips Ahoy here. They have choco chips in it, and there are some chunky flavors too. I have tried around 2 to 3 varieties of Chips Ahoy till now, and they are all amazing. They are amazing cookies to heat up and eat, or you can also eat it with milk or tea, whatever you prefer. This is one flavor which I have not tried, so I bought it this time. They say red, white and blue candy chips and real chocolate chips in it. So let's see how this is. It's a very colorful cookie, by the way. Chips Ahoy is any day my favorite over here. They're amazing. If you're someone who likes choco chip cookies and you have not tried Chips Ahoy, you should definitely try it out. This is definitely 10 on 10 for me. So let's keep this aside now. Coming to juices or sodas, I have picked up a drink mix. I got this Kool-Aid, which is an unsweetened drink mix. It's quite popular here in the States and there are many flavors for this. I picked up the grape flavor. This is basically, just a drink mix that you need to put in water along with sugar. I have got a glass of water and sugar in it. As soon as I added, the color changed to this grape color. It's good. Being grape, it is khatta and it's very good. I like it, yeah. I think it's more like tang. That's the reason I did not go for flavors like mango, orange and all. It's nice. Okay, we'll move on to the next item. Next item I'm trying is Fritos. These are flavored corn chips of chili cheese flavor. Let's see how spicy this is and how it tastes. These are the chips inside. These are actually good. You get a cheese flavor in this and it's not spicy. It tastes a lot like Bugles. Overall, it's a good chips, but I would like it if it was more spicier. So yeah, that's about Fritos. Overall, a good chips, yeah. Okay, now let's move on to the next item. I'm going to try Pop-Tarts. I am very much excited to try out Pop-Tarts because I've heard a lot about this. When I went to Walmart, there was a complete section of Pop-Tarts and I did not know which one to choose from because they have a lot of varieties. So I took a lot of time to check out the different varieties and finally I got the Frosted Hot Fudge Sundae Pop-Tart. Let's just open this now and see. It's packaged like this. Let me just open it and we'll see how it looks. Oh, it looks so pretty. I'm just going to try out it just like this. I don't feel anything like hot fudge, but I can feel a lot of chocolate and cream in it and it's very good. And you can see there is filling within the layers too. I think that makes it more tasty. It's very nice. I like this, but it's I think if I would have heated it up, it would have been even more better. If you like chocolate, you'll like hot fudge sundae flavor. If not, there are also other varieties which you could try, and yeah, overall it's an amazing treat, I could say. Yes. After Pop-Tarts, next we are going to try Sour Patch Kids. These are soft chewy candies. I'm really excited to try this because I love sour candies. It says sour then sweet. So let's see how it is. This is the package inside it. It has different candies of different colors, which I think are different flavors too. So let me try with the blue one. It's actually chewy, a little sticky. Yeah, it's sour. Yeah, I like this. It's a very chewy candy. Let me try one more, okay? Just another color. I couldn't recognize what the blue candies were, but the yellow ones were definitely lemon. I would definitely buy this again. Sour Patch candies, my favorite, my new favorite. So next I'm going to try the Chester's Puffcorn. So let's see how it tastes. This is cheese flavor. Chester's the name and snacking's my game. These puffcorn snacks are sure to gain fame. They are the puffiest poppable bites from the north to the south with a crunchy corn taste that absolutely melts in your mouth. That's what Chester Cheetah claims. So let's see how cheesy, how puffy and how poppable bites these puffcorns are. Chester Cheetah is right. It is very cheesy, and you can see that it's not overly coated with flavors too. It is literally melting in my mouth. It's that soft and crunchy. I would definitely buy this again. I could actually snack on this the whole day. It's that nice. And I would definitely give this a 10 on 10. This is an amazing snack. Yes. Moving on, the next item I'm going to try are these chocolates called Whoopers. Whooper is something that I have not tried before, so let's see how this is. It says it's the original malted milk balls, naturally and artificially flavored. Oh my god. It's very hard, by the way. It has a very thin chocolate layer in it, so you get very less chocolate flavor and more of that malt taste. Whoopers is a very different chocolate. I have never tried anything like this before. It's very hard, which I never expected it to be, and it has a very thin layer of chocolate. I generally like chocolates which have more of chocolate in it and less of any other things in it. That's why I wouldn't prefer to buy this again, but definitely a different type of chocolate that I've ever had. We have 3 more items left, and next I'm going to try Snider's pizza flavored pretzel sandwiches. I have never heard about this before. This is something that I just saw in Walmart and picked it up. So this is something very new for me. I have always been excited to try pizza flavor snacks. I smell pizza, by the way. These are the pretzel sandwiches. They actually have a filling that gives a taste of pizza. I am getting the barbecue pizza flavor and cheese in this. This is the best that I've eaten today. The best. I never expected. Let me tell you that this is something that I never planned to pick in Walmart. Let me show you again. It's Snider's pizza flavored pretzel sandwiches. I have never heard about this before. So this is a 100 on 100 snack for me. The favorite. So we have last 2 items, and the next item I have picked is Kit Kat. This new flavor which I saw this time when I went to Walmart, that is apple pie flavor. I don't know if these flavors are local or you also get it in India, but I have never heard about these Kit Kats before. And so let me try out this particular flavor. It smells like apple pie. I can't believe Kit Kat smelling like apple. Okay, so here it is. Let's just try out and see. It's little melted because it was outside. Let's see how it is. No, I can't believe they made this. I can taste coconut in it, and it's nothing like apple pie. It's a lot like some coconut burfi type for me, and I did not like this, and I even feel bad I tried it out because I love the original Kit Kat a lot. So this is definitely the least interesting thing that I had today. I'm sorry. So the last item for the day is Funyuns. A deliciously different snack that's fun. These are huge onion rings, by the way. These chips are really huge, as you can see. This is basically a corn based chips that is having a mild onion, and I also get garlic flavor in it. I have never tasted any chips like this before, so I like it. These are crunchy, yummy and fun. Finally, I have completed all the items that I bought today, and this was really amazing experience for me because I have found out some items that are really good and I would definitely buy it again. Coming to the review, items that I would definitely want to buy again would be Chex Mix and Pop Tarts. I want to try out Pop Tarts in flavors other than chocolate because I know that if it's not chocolate, it will taste very different. So definitely I want to try that. And with Chex Mix, as I've told before, I want to try out the Chex Mix Bold because it will be spicy and I want to see how that combination will be. The items that I like the least, it would definitely be Kit Kat because I did not like the Kit Kat and apple pie combination. Coming to the item that I would definitely recommend you all is Brick Oven style pretzel sandwiches is the hero of my video today. If you're someone who likes to try out new snacks, if you're someone who wants to see how a pizza flavored snack would be, you should definitely try out Snider's Brick Oven style pretzel sandwiches. I'm sure you'll like it. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you all liked it because I love making this video. Do tell me in the comment section if you have tried out any of these items or you know any other items that I could try over here. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time.